What's up, guys? It's Power Blast X here, back with another video. And today we're continuing this long series where I try to get old operating systems on modern hardware. I know you've probably been waiting for this video. If I've been watching my channel, and it's been like months since I made my last one, but finally continuing this series. And today we're actually using a different computer. Instead of the usual Latitude, this time we're switching to an Optiplex. So this right here is an Optiplex 9020 SFF. It was released in 2014 and features a Core i5 4th gen, and this has 8 gigabytes of RAM, an SSD, and a RX 550 GPU. So this is the ISO we're going to be using for XP. Is this one? Yeah, this is just a stock like Windows XP Pro ISO. Now I don't know if it's gonna work. It may or may not work. I mean, this is just a stock ISO with no mods. By the way, I think I made this DVD when I was like 10 years old. Let's switch over to my capture card output. Windows 7 Enterprise. Alright, let's go to the boot menu now. And legacy boot. Let's just try it. Will it even work? Okay. Wait a minute, is it actually working right now? Is it actually working? Like, well, that's a good sign. At least it's showing the Windows, like the DOS-based setup. But yeah, I am 16 years old. Obviously, I didn't like grow up with this. Well, I kind of did grow up with XP. I remember using XP in like 2010, but even though I was like 1 year old in 2010, I don't even know how I have a memory of that, but I somehow do. Dude, what? So this is an unmodified Windows XP CD, by the way. It's just a stock XP image, and it's got past the setup of starting Windows with no ACPI errors and no like unmoxable I don't know, that like boot device, whatever it's called. I forgot that error, but like the 7B, the 0. So this is the part I'm probably waiting for. I'm going to be opening this thing up. So get the latch open like this, and now here is the inside of the Optiplex 9020. So we're going to be lifting up the DVD drive. Slides out just like that. That goes here. And here's the main thing we're looking for. This is where the hard drive stuff is. So let's just slide out my SSD like that. And now here's my hard drive, and it goes into this blue tray. Alright, hard drive is in the blue tray, and now it just slides back into the caddy. I'm gonna now put the caddy away. Yeah, let's take a moment to admire the internals of this. What an amazing computer this is. By the way, this is known as one of the most like. Anyways, let's now put this back on. And I'm going to lock this latch in. And now connect the SATA cables to the hard drive. Side panel back on. And now let's start installing Windows XP. Go into the boot menu. Choose your CD drive. Now we're back in the Windows XP setup. So yeah, we're back in now, and here's screen before. So let's delete this partition. This is like a leftover partition. I'm just scared. Just delete this. Oh yeah, I don't care. Delete it. And let's just install it here. Quick format. I don't want to wait a whole hour for a full format, so quick format is just gonna be fine. Setup is now formatting. Hello guys. I love this like new capture card setup I got. Like, I don't know why I didn't use this before. Like, I literally had all these like stuff for like years now, but I don't use them. I should really start using all my stuff. There we go. Now we're copying files. By the way, right after this video, I do plan to make Windows 2000. So blow this video up if you want Windows 2000 on this thing. I am gonna do that. I might do that. Yeah. If you want to see the Windows 2000 video, comment. Okay, yo, it just works. You're telling me just, bro, even the mouse works. Even the mouse works. Dude, you're just telling me this works? Are you actually kidding me right now? Are you actually kidding me? Are you actually serious? Are we actually like, are you joking right now? It just works like that? Why is this going so smooth? What? Does my keyboard work? Shift F10. My keyboard even works. Okay. Bro. Dude. Why is this working so well? Why? Like, this doesn't feel real. Why is it working? Like, this is not even like a modded ISO. This is literally a stock, like, this is a stock ISO I use too. Alright, I guess let's just let it install now. We are now at this part of the setup, our regional settings, except that name, let's type J organization. I'm just gonna type my YouTube channel name. Power Blast X. Computer name Optiplex -9020. All right. The date. I'm actually not. I'm Central Time. All right, we're done with the first. Well, I think that was the second stage. We're done with the setup now. So now we're gonna be going to the out-of-box experience. So we're done with the installation part. And it looks like there's no sound drivers because I don't hear the OBE sound right now. But which is obviously expected. So let's just continue with the setup. Welcome to Microsoft Windows XP. This is awesome to see. Alright guys, let's do the setup now. So next, not right now. I'm not gonna do this. I mean, I don't even think this is up right now, but who will use this computer? Jay will use this computer. My name is Jay. Thank you. Oh, that's it. Alright. Okay. Welcome to Windows XP. We did it, guys. This is like, we got it installed. This was so easy. This literally took no effort at all. I'm so surprised. I am so surprised. This took no effort at all. Compared to my last Windows Vista video, which literally I literally had to order a custom part. I had to do like tons of like driver slipstreaming and like see a SEM wrap and like, you know, like to like get like a legacy wrapper. Here, I literally had to do 0 things. But next video, Windows 2000, is definitely gonna be a challenge. I don't already know that, but anyways, let's explore. So first off, let's change your resolution. 1600 by 900. We need a better resolution. Wow, wow. I don't even need a custom like VBE like graphics driver. Are we actually like dead ass? Bro, dude. I am genuinely like stoked at how well it's going. This doesn't feel fair. Look at this. Windows XP is working well. Let's get drivers installed now. First, I want to get Wi-Fi drivers. Let's plug in my Wi-Fi adapter. And now I'm going to install the drivers for a Wi-Fi adapter. It does support Windows XP, so let's just insert my DVD for that. And because my Wi-Fi driver is on a DVD. Alright, 7601U Windows. Let's just run setup.exe. Welcome to the Install Shield Wizard. I accept the terms. My name is Jay. Power yeah, just showing up. Power Blast X is grabbing that. Complete install. We are installing the Wi-Fi driver. Finish. Okay, I guess that's it. Now let's reboot. I think we gotta reboot for it to work. Dude, this resolution looks sick. It is so fast too. This is incredibly fast. Stream might be area, yeah. Alright, now how do we actually get connected to the internet? Connect to wireless network connection. It actually shows up. It's showing up. Let's connect to my internet right now. It actually shows up. But and now we are connected. Are we actually connected? Let's go into Internet Explorer and see if it actually works. Let's go to google.com. Dude, it works. It works. It says your browser isn't supported, but you, like, it has to connect to somewhere to get this message, so it actually works. It works. Dude. I am just so surprised this works. What's in my DVD? Do I have any other programs I could do in this DVD? Snappy driver install, yeah, but let's get that. Let's get that. We're gonna find some drivers for this. Let's copy that to the desktop. But Windows, like, it was so easy. Like, no ACPI BSOD, not even a single BSOD, no inaccessible boot device. It just straight up worked without any issue. Let's run Snappy. Unblock. Download index as only. This PC only. Oh, there is. It looks like there is no nothing. There's no drivers, unfortunately. But I'll have to find some drivers too. So, all right, I'll be back when I get like. So I found a sound driver online. Hopefully this works. It's just some like Realtek sound driver. And let's just install. Let's open it and run setup.exe. And we gotta restart. Let's do it a lot later. Let's also install a web browser. I have a web browser too. Supermium. And hear the sound. I'm gonna put my mic close up to the speaker. My mic is touching the speaker right now of the computer. Let's restart. That was epic. You just heard this shutdown sound. Okay, it's actually taking longer now. I don't know why the boot time just rose up, but that was amazing. Alright guys, so now I think we're done with the setup process of it. Surprisingly, it was like so quick. Like literally they haven't had to do much work. So first to try out web browsing. Superman was a modern web browser, so we should able to we should be able to just access the modern web completely fine. Because Supermium exists. And I love Supermium, and you should go check it out. Why is it not starting up? Oh my god, you'll open the background, that's right. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. Why is it so laggy? It's probably because I have no GPU driver, that's why. Let's actually find a GPU driver right now. Intel HD 4600 XP driver. I think a driver does exist, or at least a modern driver. Look at that, we are actually connected. Is it this? Alright, so I found this archive page, and I believe this should be compatible with my 4600. I had to go on the Wayback Machine, and it's like an old like Intel like archive page. Let's download this. XP Intel HD drivers. It says 4th gen processors. Oh, and it's actually downloading. That's awesome. Let's extract the files now. It's done downloading. Oh, look at this. This is the old UI. Wow. Show extracted files now. I guess it just run setup. All right. Oh my god, this old net framework. Are you serious? Or do we? I don't know. It still let me continue, but all right, we got a black screen now, and now we're back. Oh, is that it? I guess it's restart. And I think it worked. I don't know if it did or not, but let's try running Superming again. Let's see if that lags still. Actually, let's just check device manager. look at that. It actually shows up Intel Haswell HD graphics. Beautiful. General Windows XP Professional. You look at that. Intel Core i5 4590. Alright, let's play some pinball now. Let's go to programs, games, pinball. We're gonna have some fun today. Play some pinball. Alright, that was fun, but why it's so loud? I don't wake up my neighbors. Let's just close that now. Alright, next up, what other games should we try? Let's play some Windows XP Solitaire. Let's see how good I am at Windows XP Solitaire. This is like a very old version. This looks so simple, but alright, let's play this. Alright, I'm bored. Let's exit out of this. What other games? Minesweeper. I hit a mine. Where is the OBE music? Let's try music playback. Title the WMA. That is just absolutely amazing. Media playback working well. Now let's try web browsing. Let's go to Scratch. Let's play some Scratch games. Let's play Scratch Geometry Dash. Why not? Let's play some Scratch Geometry Dash. Let's see here. Scratch Geometry Dash. I'm having so much fun in Windows XP, man. I love Windows XP. I forgot how good this was. Which one should we? I don't want to get copyrighted though, so which one should we try? Jumper 2013. Nah, I'm gonna get copyrighted for that. Geometry Dash Wave. Let's try this one. Geometry Dash Wave. This looks fun. And does Windows XP work with Scratch gaming? Let's find out. Travel warp will make it less laggy. That does not sound good. Also, why is the preview broken? What is this? Credit to RobTop for creating Geometry Dash. W guy right here. He's crediting RobTop for creating the game. Alright, I don't think it's gonna load. How about this? Hello? What's up with this like broken this broken thing? Another lag warning too. Alright, I give up. Let's go to my website now. powerblessdex.com. Look at that. It loads well. It looks beautiful. Look at that. My website is working. YouTube. Let's try some YouTube. Which video should we do? Let's do my snack tier list. Let's just go on my channel. Yeah, let's see. YouTube works. Does YouTube work? Yeah, it should work. Yep. Look at that. It's working perfectly fine. Is it gonna... Why is it having issues loading? I think it's my internet. I think it's my internet, not Windows XP itself. It has to be my internet. But yeah, video streaming is working well thanks to Supremum, of course. Supremum is an amazing browser. There you guys, if you haven't already, be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Anyways, what am I doing? Let's full screen it. Come on, you got this. Tour Windows XP. How did I almost forget about this? How do I literally almost forget about this? What? But it works. WordPad. WordPad. As you can see, it works well. Let's do a painting. Yeah, I don't really think I drew a subscribe button that well, but let's save that. So I think that's pretty much it. So that was Windows XP on modern-ish hardware. This was like a long video. I'm tired now. It's 9. It's a school night. I gotta sleep now, but yeah, guys, let's just do a quick overview now of Windows XP on modern hardware. Look at this. This is just amazing, guys. This is absolutely incredible to see this working. Let's go to shut it down now. The shutdown work. Hey, it works. The ACPI stuff actually works. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And now we'll be doing Windows 2000 next, so stay tuned for that. Windows 2000 is coming next, coming very soon. Stay tuned for that. And be sure to check out my previous ones, the Windows Vista on modern hardware, and Windows 7 on modern hardware, and also I've also made Windows 8.0 and Windows 8.1, so check that out too. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this far, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good one.